Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to stabilize a video using Capcut. Now, this is going to be the desktop version. Pretty much the same with if you're using it on your mobile device. All you need to do is have a footage that is a bit shaky or is not stable, right? So we have one here. You just need to drag and drop here, over here. And if we play this slowly, as you can see here, it's not too shaky, but it's still not stable, right? As you can see here, it is the screen is moving. It's not, static or stable. So how do you fix this? How do you stabilize it? It's very easy. All you need to do is look to your right hand side, which is the editing option here, and you need to have basic. You need to be in basic over here, not this. By default, you're going to be on basic, and under basic, what you want to do is under blend, there is an option here called stabilize, right? So click stabilize. There you go. And it's not processing, right? You just need to wait for the processing to finish, and we will be right back. And as you can see, we are now in 90%. We're almost done. All right. It is now 100%. Now, if you play this, as you can see, it is now stable, right? It's not shaky anymore. There's a tiny bit, but it's not too shaky. There you go. It's smoother now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.